Guess who's at the party? Come on, man. Have some self-respect. You are in a dumpster, and Jerry is inside safe and warm. Look at him, just scouting the room and seeing what he can steal next. Now, who's the cat and who's the mouse? Hey, well, let's get back in there and smash that mouse up good. Whoa. Tom, my brother, there's room for both cats and mice to be happy. Look, I'm sure if you asked to share his food. Share? Whoa, you lucky the kids are watching me, okay? We're cats. Cats take. Come on, he's just an innocent little mouse. Wait a minute. Why are we always arguing? We shouldn't be fighting. We look alike. Why are we doing this? Look, how about we do something different this time? Why don't we let Tom make up his own mind? Okay? Now, see, that is a good idea. Tom, I believe in you. What a sucker. Now go make me proud, Tom.
Sweat the technique.